Hi, I'm going to show you the new functions for paper plans creation in Buildings version 25.01. So we have added these two useful functions, paper plans and paper plans attributes. So for example, you can have your own sheet elements or paper plans or title blocks already created, or import them from DWG. So whatever they look like, we can assign some attributes. So builders will be able to use them to fill in the proper attributes with the corresponding floor plans, the scales, the drafters, project numbers, etc. So for example, another one, if it looks like this one, so we can define all these attributes previously, and therefore once we have drawn the building with buildings, and we have different filters, so for a ground floor, for the first floor, etc. So we can simply go to this new function, paper plans. It will take the last used data for project number, project name, customer, plans, the title. We say floor plan as built. We can fill in as many attributes as we want to be created, and afterwards we define the sheets themselves. So we choose the base that we want to use for our final paper plan. So we say we want to take this, we want to add it to a current sheet set, or we want to create a new one, and we want to add it to a current plan set, or we want to create a new one. We will explain it in detail in further videos, but let's skip this one. So we want to create it here because we haven't any paper plan there. So we keep it as it is, and we just pick the frame. So the area to be used for the DynaView, the layer where we want to store the created DynaView, and if we want to see the same filter for all floor plans or the linked filter, because when we work with buildings, we can choose for 00, we see that the linked view filter is 00, for 01 is 01, etc. So we can close this, choose back the my filter, so we will see everything. And now we say the scale, so we can pick, for example, 100, and the insertion point for the DynaView is in this case 220 and 80, for example, and the revisions, if revision A, B, C, whatever. And we have two options, create floor plans or create single plan. So you will see as soon as I click here, we will create 4 automatic floor plans there. So if we open this one, for example, we see that we have created this floor plan with the title, with the scale, with the corresponding attributes that we have defined, with the DynaView and the view filter. So we see the difference. So we see that we have here as build 00, as build 01, and we see that we are using different filters for this and for this. So this way we can quickly create floor plans, and if we want to use a different one, for example this one, we just simply need to pick the corresponding one, sheet set, and then we will add it to this one, for example, and we keep here. In this case we can plot with 50, for example, and I think it's like 220 and 3. And we just simply click on create floor plans. So we see here the floor plans, and if we open one, we will see that we have used now the new template, the new title block, and the new frame, etc. And then we have filled in and updated the corresponding attributes.